another arc, same way from the point number B, arc and another arc. Join this arc in terms of the polygon and you will have your hexagon ready for you. Very easy process. If you follow thoroughly, then you can draw this polygon very easily. Give the name A, B, C, D, E and F. So this is how you can draw a hexagon using general method or universal circle method. Now let's have a look at the next question, please. Our next question is trisect a right angle using compass only. Now this is something that you need to do only for 2 marks. So this is a very basic problem. In this we just need to trisect this right angle using only compass. Compass means that your protector. Now let's have a look at how we can trisect this right angle using the compass only. First of all, we will take in consideration of the right angle. We will draw a 70 mm line on both the side. You can choose your length either. You can choose any of the length. I have chosen the 70 mm for the reference purpose only. This is point number O, A, B. I have got the right angle. Now I need to trisect this right angle using the compass only. I have got this compass with me. Taking O as center, OB as radius, draw a full arc. Take same radius, OB as radius, but A as center, arc on the semicircle part. Same way, B as center, OB as radius, arc on this semicircular part. Now we have got this 2 arc. Just join it with the point number A and we have trisected this right angle. This is part number 1, 2 and 3. We have divided right angle into 3 equal parts. Let's name this as point number P1 and P2. So this is how you can trisect a right angle. Let's have a look at it once again. Choose any random length. Either you can choose 60 mm or 50 mm or 70 mm, but that should be equal on both the side. That should be equal on both the side. Over here I have taken 70 mm, naming as O, A and B. Taking O as center, OB as radius, drawing an semicircular arc. Taking the same radius but center is changed, A as center, cut an arc, same radius, just B as center, cut an arc. Join these 2 arc with the point number O. Join these 2 arc with point number O and you have trisected your right angle into 3 equal parts. This is part number 1, 2 and 3. Name it as P1 and P2. Very simple. Ask only for 2 marks. This is how you can trisect a right angle. Now let's have a look at the next question, please. Our next question is, we need to draw a pentagon having 72 mm diameter. Now we need to draw a regular pentagon using the regular method for 72 mm diameter. Now how we can proceed further to draw this 72 mm diameter pentagon? Again, this is the question of the polygon. This paper is very much easy compared to other papers. So what we are going to do, first of all, we will draw a 72 mm line in middle of the paper. Now what I am going to do, just naming it as AB, A as center, AB as radius, draw a circle, take B as center, AB as radius, draw another circle. Draw another circle. Now where these both circles have intersected, we'll draw a center line. Where both these points intersected, we'll name this point as O and O dash. Taking O dash as center, O dash A as radius, or O dash B as radius, we'll draw a third circle which will intersect this another two circles like this. The circle where it got intersected, we'll name it as P and Q. We'll name it as P and Q. This circle where it intersected with the bisector line, we'll name it as R. We'll name it as R. Now what we are going to do, we'll join this line PR and extend it till circle ends like this. From the point number Q, we'll draw a line QR, extended it to the end of the circle. End of the circle. This is our first line. This is our side. We'll join this line. We'll have our another side. Joining this also, we have got this third side also. Now only remaining is the last side of the pentagon. What I am going to do, just name it as C, taking BC as radius, arc on the center line. I have drawn an arc on the center line. Joining this arc with the C, we'll name it as point number D. This point would be E. We'll join D with the E, and this is how we can get our pentagon. So this is how you can draw a pentagon for a given circular diameter. We'll see it next time, that how we can draw this in quick recap. First of all, draw a given diameter. That's given diameter is 72 mm, hence I am drawing this 72 mm line, naming it as AB. A as center, AB as radius. Draw a circle. Same way on another side, taking B as center, AB as radius. Draw second circle. Now what we are going to do, we'll draw a center line. We'll draw a center line, naming those points as point number O and point number O dash. From point number O dash, we will take point number O dash as center, O dash B as radius, drawing another circle which intersect with these two circles, giving those intersecting point as point number P, point number Q, and where it intersect with the bisector line as point number R. Draw the line from point number P to R, extend it to the end of the circle. From P to R, extending to the end of the circle. Same way on another side, Q to R, extend it to the end of the circle. Now we have got two sides. This would be our side number 1. This is already side number 2, and this is side number 3. Let's name it as point number C, and this point as point number E. Two sides we have achieved. The last two sides have been remaining. Taking BC as radius and C as center, draw an intersecting arc on the center line. Draw an intersecting arc with the center line. Join C with this intersecting arc, name it as point number D, and join D with the point number E. This is how you can draw your pentagon using general method or 3-circle method. Very easy but yet effective. We will have our next problem, please. Now again a very easy question which has been asked in this exam. Name the engineering drawing instrument and state their uses. Now the answer is lying just beside us. What we are using to draw these engineering components, like we are having a set of the set squares like this. We are having set of the set squares. We are having a rounder, or we can say it a compass. We are using the scale. We are using the scale. We are using the eraser. We are using pencil. Now pencil is very much important, that we are using B, not B. We are using H or 2H pencils. If we want to draw a fine drawing, then we can also use for the projection 5H or 6H pencil. But in general practice we are using H or 2H pencil. So the answer lie within your sides only. So you just need to name them, and you need to give the use of this instrument, how you are using this instrument to draw this drawing. Now first of all we will make a table of this so that it looks nice on the examiner mind. First of all we will make a table, proper table kind of thing, so that it can be clearly shown that this is how you can take a list of the engineering instrument which can be used to draw a drawing. first column would be serial number, second column would be name, third column would be how it looks, and fourth column would be application. It should be very clear so that examiner don't need to check all this. You need to mention at least 5 to 6 instrument. So accordingly mark the lines also. You can draw this table using the set square or roller scale of yours. First of all, first and most important is scale. How it looks like. It looks like this kind of thing. It looks like this. What is the application of the scale? To draw line of specific length. Be very specific that what you are using it for, to draw a line of specific length. Next would be set square. How it looks like.